I'm afraid because hackers have found an easy and simple way to grab people's sensitive information and then use it to bypass Know Your Customer (KYC) processes. I found this video and I would like to share it with you guys, but before that, I will give you more explanation about KYC. Before we continue, please note that Policy Point is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with this video, rather, to inform and educate their viewers on this channel. Don't ever use it against others, because if you do, you're responsible for the consequence of indulging in this format. What is KYC verification? KYC, Know Your Customer. Verification is a process that businesses and financial institutions use to verify the identity of their customers to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. It involves collecting and verifying personal information about a customer's identity, such as their name, address, date of birth, and government-issued identification. KYC is also an integral part of a larger regulatory framework, which is called Customer Due Diligence, CDD. Part of CDD compliance requires companies to conduct KYC checks. The difference is that CDD goes beyond KYC and involves a more in-depth assessment of a customer's risk profile and potential involvement in financial crimes. What is an important KYC feature? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process designed to verify the identity of customers to prevent fraud and illegal activities. Here's a brief explanation of KYC levels. KYC Level 1, basic verification that includes collecting essential information like name, address, date of birth, and government-issued identification number. It's typically done through documents like a passport, driver's license, or ID card, and your selfie. KYC Level 2 involves more thorough verification, often including additional documentation or proof of address. This level may also involve screening against various databases to ensure compliance with regulations and to detect any potential risks associated with the customer. Now you know what we're talking about. Watch the complete video on how scammers make it happen, and don't forget to comment your questions in the comments box before and subscribe for more.